Hello, crafters! This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I'm here with another fun day of the 13 Days of Craftoween. Have you seen my last video? I'll link it here. Let's see what day 10 has in store. I hope you're loving this series. This is pretty on the outside, kind of a all year round look except for the spider. Let's see. Too cute. I don't have any inspiration for this one. This is already inspiring me right here. I may change the color of the flower, but adorable. I love the bat. Stay spooky. So it's bat petals with the skull. This is a summerween goodie right here. Too cute to spook. Love it. Stay spooky. Okay, let's look at my example. Here is my day 10 example. Look at this cute little flower. So sweet. The only thing I would change if I was going to change this card, I would probably turn this into pink instead of blue. And I did cut pink out. Now that I'm looking at it against the purple, I'm like, maybe I should have done pink. But I was going for contrast. Such a cutie patootie. All these bits layered together. I love the little bat wing petals. Thumbs up for cuteness. This is brushed black cardstock, which is specialty cardstock at Spellbinders. So super pretty. Love, 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 because it is different than this, which is just standard black cardstock. I love these little petal bat wings. I think it's just unique and fun. This is a Day of the Dead style flower. This is so giving me a Tim Burton feel, isn't it? I think I could see this in one of his movies, just, you know, while Jack Skellington is walking by and all these little flowers looking like this, or Disney's Coco or something like that, one of those movies. I think this is just so super duper cute. Very easy to come together. This gives you the placement for the little eyes. So fun. For the layer of grass, I'm coming into the Landscape Edges die. Put this one in your wish list. It goes on sale from time to time. It's great for creating your scene building cards. It has a cloud edge, hill edge, and grass edge. Here I'm using grass in black. This is 7 inches tall too. Really, really nice. So it can work on your slimline cards. And crafters, I did not use any sentiment, but I certainly did use some bouncy clouds. So for my bouncy clouds here, I already know which one I used. My favorite, the Slimline Cloud Stencil by Waffle Flower. Long retired. There are some other Waffle Flower cloud stencils. They are not the same, okay? Because I do own them. I love a good cloud stencil. I have maybe about 10 to 12 of them. Every time they come out, I'm like, oh, that looks a little different. Let me get that one. So I have all 3 versions. This one came out a few years back, but I love it. I can tell by the way that the clouds are moving that I use this one. But it's long retired, but it is called Slimline Cloud Stencil. So if you see it, pick it up. Now, what is in stock is my second favorite cloud stencil. This one is called Slimline Cloudy Stencil by Lawn Fawn. This could have also worked. If you want it to angle like this, you'll just turn it at an angle and then stencil with it. But this one would give you more straight across. This one is the one that gives you those deep parts that I really love. That's my little tip there on cloud stencils. Love, love, love them. Here I'm using shades of purple. I started off with white cardstock, and then I brought in some black soot here at the bottoms and on the sides. This is a A2 card. For these 2 layers, I'm using both Precision Layering A2 sets A and B. Both of these die sets have 16 dies in each set. Largest die in set A is an A2, 4 1/4, 5.5 inch. What you see here in black cardstock. Largest die in set B is 1/8 of an inch shorter. What you see here with the cloud detail. That gives you really tight layers, which is 1/8 of an inch all the way around, which in reality, when you have it centered like this, you're getting 1/16 on each side. Thumbs up. Love, 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 love. From the 13 Days of Craftoween box, I did use their confetti here, the confetti sequins, but I didn't put a sentiment. I could fit one here. I could also put one down here if I wish. Maybe. I can always go back and change it, but right now I do like it without a sentiment. I think the flower tells a whole story by itself. This cutie patootie Day of the Dead flower. Alrighty, crafters, that is it for day 10. In the day 9 video, I did mention, if you still want to get a 13 Days of Craftoween box, check your local scrapbook stores, especially the ones that carry Better Press Society, because that means that they would have probably gotten the chance to order this, okay? A lot of those companies will ship it to you as well, but it is sold out. Right now, when everybody is seeing all the goodness, they want to get the box. Alrighty, crafters, everything will be detailed and linked below. Thanks so much for watching. Until day 11, stay crafty, my friends. Bye.